now. Where's the remote? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Uh-huh. That's why your dad's one of the great.
Beep, beep.
This channel.
Let's take a picture of Scotty. Is this the right way or wrong way? Is this the right way? I'm doing Scotty too. I'm taking a picture of him. Mom? Is that okay?
No, it's not. Scotty, what do you got? Scotty, what do you got there? Take a picture of Connor? It's a camera.
He doesn't know. Sorry, I'll take a picture of you. Auntie. Take a picture of them, Mom. Right, Mom? Right?
Uh-huh.
Say cheese. Smile. Cheese. Cheese. It's not working, Mom.
It must be.
We're gonna be all bought off like Michael Jordan, huh, Dad? Oh, take a shower. Only when I'm big. I'm gonna take a shower when the hair comes on. When it stays on there, I'm gonna have to take a shower. And showers are fun because they have warm water.
You gotta lean forward, Connor. You gotta lean forward. Come on. Come on. Okay, up here first, up here.
When the barber cuts my hair, I laugh.
Hey, all this hair's gonna fly away, huh?
Yeah.
Over here.
That way up in heaven, like some of the bloom. They won't recognize us when all that hair's off.
We're leaving Connor with the mohawk.
Yeah?
Yes. On your shirt. In the back.
You gonna cut Vincent's hair too?
Yeah.
This is
You
going
gonna
bald.
shave it?
Everybody. And nobody won't.
Service, as in service people that food. Connor wants to be an ice cream man when he grows up.
Yep.
Ice cream man?
But
Alright.
now I'm not gonna be
Hey,
that
brother,
anymore.
you're gonna be a No. broke ice cream man, I'll tell you that. You're gonna eat everything, huh?
No.
What do you want to be now, Connor?
Michael Jordan.
Alright.
And I want to be Uncle Fister.
Who?
Want to be the president from United States.
Who's Uncle
Vincent.
Pissner?
Mr.
Oh my gosh.
They're not ugly.
Hey, maybe I'll control his hair after this.
You want one of those little socks too, Ben?
No.
Well, Mr. Fester, how's it feeling so far? Look up,
Mom's gonna
Ben.
kill me.
Nice. Look, honey, looks like your cousin's little boy. Remember the one that had
Albie's kids.
I'll touch it. We'll come in later.
I want to shave my head too.
Hey, shave mine right
We
now.
won't have to spend any money on dyes.
Shave mine right now.
Don't shave the back. You'll regret it like you did.
I didn't regret it. I just regretted it when I wanted to grow it out.
There we go.
Alrighty. Go ahead. Go.
Cheese.
So what?
Cheese. Cheese.
What are you doing?
Cheese.
What's that in your hands?
Cheese.
What's on your hands? What is that? Let me see.
A butter.
Pudding?
Butter.
Pudding.
Okay.
Yeah?
Pudding. Hey. Cheese. Cheese. Auntie. Auntie. Ah. Auntie. Auntie. Auntie.
You're sticky, yucky.
Well,
Is there more? Eat more.
no.
Right here.
No.
Take a bite.
No.
It's yummy.
No.
Yes.
Other one.
Other one what?
Other one. Sauce. Sauce.
Applesauce?
Yeah.
I don't know if we have any. Let me see.
Other sauce.
Yeah.
Other sauce.
Yeah, we have applesauce. You want some?
Yeah. Sauce.
Are you going to eat it or are you going to make a mess?
Sauce.
Are you going to eat it?
Sauce.
Applesauce.
Apple.
Right there.
Pudding.
Yeah, eat it.
Pudding.
Well, that's applesauce.
That's
Yeah.
pudding. Pudding.
Yeah. Is it good?
Pudding.
Is it good?
Pudding.
Pudding.
What?
Pudding.
Pudding. Cheese.
You're such a ham.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Butter!
Yeah, water.
A window.
In the window?
Yeah.
Are you all done eating?
No.
No?
Sauce.
Applesauce.
In it.
Okay.
Cheese. Pen. Pen.
No, spoon. Stop! Stop making a mess! It's in your hair. It's all over your face. The food, applesauce and pudding, is all over your face and your hair. Yes, pudding. Applesauce. I see. You make a mess. You did. You have to take a bath now.
No.
Yes, you do.
I'm not.
Oh, yes.
I'm not.
Yes.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not.
Messy.